Welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're taking on an idiomatic English challenge, 40 advanced MCQs to test how well you know idioms. Ready to prove you're an expert? Let's jump right in. 1. Which idiom means to make someone very angry? Drive up the wall. Tips: drive up the wall means to greatly irritate or anger someone. 2. What does cry over spilt milk mean? To worry about something that cannot be undone. Tips: cry over spilt milk means to worry about past events. 3. Which idiom means to give up? Throw in the towel. Tips: throw in the towel means to give up. 4. What does cost an arm and a leg mean? To be very expensive. Tips: cost an arm and a leg refers to something being very expensive. 5. Which idiom means to agree with someone? Be on the same page. Tips: be on the same page means to share the same understanding. 6. What does face the music mean? To accept consequences. Tips: face the music means to accept the consequences. 7. Which idiom means a very small part of a larger problem? The tip of the iceberg. Tips: the tip of the iceberg refers to a small part of a larger issue. 8. What does pull someone's leg mean? To joke with someone. Tips: pull someone's leg means to tease or joke playfully. 9. Which idiom means to take control of a situation? Grab the bull by the horns. Tips: grab the bull by the horns means to confront a problem directly. 10. What does keep your chin up mean? To remain positive. Tips: keep your chin up means to stay positive in tough times. 11. Which idiom means to take credit for someone else's work? Steal someone's thunder. Tips: steal someone's thunder means to take credit for others' work. 12. What does break the ice mean? To make people feel comfortable. Tips: break the ice means to ease social tension. 13. Which idiom means to be in trouble? In hot water. Tips: in hot water means to be in trouble. 14. What does under the weather mean? To feel sick. Tips: under the weather means to feel sick. 15. Which idiom means to make a situation worse? Add fuel to the fire. Tips: add fuel to the fire means to worsen a bad situation. 16. What does bite the bullet mean? To endure pain bravely. Tips: bite the bullet means to face a difficult situation bravely. 17. What does burn the midnight oil mean? To stay up late working. Tips: this idiom refers to working late. 18th. If someone spills the beans, they reveal a secret. Tips: spill the beans means to reveal a secret. 19. What does hit the sack mean? To go to bed. Tips: hit the sack means to go to sleep. 20. What does pull someone's leg mean? To tease or joke with someone. Tips: pulling someone's leg means to joke or trick them. 21st. If someone lets the cat out of the bag, they reveal a secret. Tips: this means to accidentally leak confidential information. 22. What does under the weather mean? Feeling unwell. Tips: under the weather means feeling ill. 23. What does hit the nail on the head mean? To be exactly right. Tips: this idiom means to describe something clearly. 24th. If something costs an arm and a leg, it is very expensive. Tips: this phrase describes something very expensive. 25. What does break the ice mean? To make people comfortable in a social setting. Tips: breaking the ice means starting a conversation to ease awkwardness. 26. What does once in a blue moon mean? Very rarely. Tips: this idiom describes something rare. 27. If someone kicks the bucket, it means they have died. Tips: kick the bucket is a euphemism for dying. 28. What does go the extra mile mean? To do more than expected. Tips: this idiom means to make extra effort to achieve something. 29. What does beat around the bush mean? Avoid saying something directly. Tips: this phrase means to speak indirectly. 30. If something is a piece of cake, it is very easy. Tips: this idiom means something is easy. 31. What does cry over spilled milk mean? To regret something that cannot be changed. Tips: this idiom means to regret something irreversible. 32. What does throw in the towel mean? To give up. Tips, throw in the towel means to quit. 33. If someone has a chip on their shoulder, they are easily offended. Tips, this idiom describes someone prone to anger or conflict. 34. What does jump on the bandwagon mean? To follow a trend. Tips, this means to join a popular activity. 35. What does call it a day mean? To stop working. Tips, this idiom means to stop working for the day. 36. If someone keeps their chin up, they stay positive despite difficulties. Tips, this phrase encourages optimism. 37. What does let sleeping dogs lie mean? Avoid bringing up past conflicts. Tips, this idiom means to avoid causing trouble. 38. If something is up in the air, it is uncertain. Tips, this means a decision isn't final yet. 39. What does cutting corners mean? Doing something cheaply and quickly. Tips, cutting corners means to take shortcuts at the cost of quality. 40. If someone is walking on eggshells, they are being very careful not to upset someone. Tips, this idiom is used to avoid conflict. How many idioms did you nail? Drop your score in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more challenging English content. Keep mastering those expressions. See you in the next quiz.